Okay, continues to yesterday configuration. Okay, we are
Okay.
talking about intra-STO process configuration.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so since how the system knows about the whether it is intra-STO, inter-STO. Okay, so there will be a different configuration we are doing. One is document type. Okay, document type should be UV. Okay, so when we are creating the purchase order, STO purchase order, so the document type should be UB. Okay,
Okay.
and the item category we are using U. U means it is a stock transfer. Okay, so U
Okay.
means it is a stock transfer. So when
Okay.
it is a while creating the purchase order. Okay, so STO
Okay.
stock transfer order. We generally calling as a stock transfer order. Okay, general calling as a stock transfer order.
Okay.
So we can call STO or we can also call the stock transfer order. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the document type. It should be UB. So we generally using the different other document type, but now we are using the document type UB. Okay, so let's go to the system here. So while creating PO ME21N, okay, while
Okay.
creating PO ME21N, okay. So here generally we are using NB now. So here we are using the UB document type. Okay. So UV document, when we selected the UV document now, what will be happen? Since the system also understanding that, okay, you are planning to do the STO process. So it
Okay.
is asking that supply plan. Instead of it is asking the supplier number, okay, it is asking supply plan. So you can see in the top, there will be a change in the supplier. So it is just change it to supply plan. Okay.
Okay.
So you can change here. If you see that NB, document type NB, it is asking supplier number. That means vendor number. But
Okay.
if I'm changing to this into the UB, then the system is asking supplying plant.
Plant.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So if suppose we just considering that ZTX1 is the supply plan, then we have to enter the supply plan ZTX1. Okay. So purchase order where we are creating to generally if we have the two plans, this is supply plan and this is a receiving plan. So generally who will create a purchase order? Who will create a purchase order? Generally the receiving plan, right?
Receiving plant. Receiving
I
plant.
need requirement, so receiving plan will be creating the order. So here when you creating the purchase order, okay. So in the receiving plan, okay, you will be creating the purchase order. Okay. So now
Purchase order.
I'll be entering that whatever it is necessary. I'm just entering that details. Okay. So if I have the material number, what is the material number which is created yesterday? Do you remember that? MM60.
121.
I just created, I think 78 or something. Okay, 72. Okay. I've created 72 in the board company course. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Board plans. So 72, I'm entering that. Then I'll be entering that the plan, which is like a receiving plan. So ZST2, ZTST2. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I think there will be some problem in the PO. The short to third location which is coming grayed out. Okay, and there is no sort maintain which is 72. Okay, so I'll just maintain somewhat to language. So I just maintain DG also. and also I'll be entered that. Okay. So I'll be entering here UB.
Okay.
So B and the TX1
One.
and 72, which is the material, and the TX2,
Yes.
the TX2. Okay. So then this purchasing organization, let's maintain the TX2, 1000 pieces. So now, if you can see here, okay, so this is generally we are using document type UB and supply plan, and we'll be entering the supply plant here and the receiving plant here, and we are creating in the receiving company code, receiving plant. Both company
Okay.
codes is same, right? Company code is same, but receiving plant level you are creating the purchase order in an
Okay.
interesting. Okay, so generally, I said right, there is a two procedures. So in this procedure also, we are using the same, and in this procedure also, we are using the same procedure. That means
Okay.
the document type UB and item category U, and we are entering the supply plan, and okay, in place of supplier, okay, under in receiving plan. In receiving
Okay.
plan, we are creating the purchase order. Okay, clear? So
Okay.
the same intro procedure also in the same procedure like we are talking about this stock transfer with route. Even that also we are using the same. Okay, in here even that also we are using the same. Okay, the document type UB and automatic view. Then how the system knows that whether it should be go with the intra-STO. What is the difference in this trod and forth? The procedure trod and forth. What is the difference? Intra-STO
Interesting.
versus STO using or route only. So what is the difference here? Okay, both is the plan to plan transfer only. Okay, there is no change. Plan to plan transfer only. Okay, but
Okay.
the difference is okay, which shipping
It, it in the company.
will be which shipping is using in intra-STO procedure, but in other procedure we are not using shipping. That means we are not doing with ST route. Okay. So this is a
Okay.
difference here. So both cases we are using the document type UB and item category U. Then how the system knows that whether you are going with shipping or without shipping. Okay. How system knows that
Okay.
with shipping it is going or without shipping, how the system knows about that. Okay, the system will can understand that based on our STO process. Okay, that is STO integration.
Okay.
That configuration you have to do. So intra STO configuration will be completely different. Okay, so what needs
Okay.
to do here? Okay, so you need to be. So I'll just mention here. Okay, I'll just remove this one. Item category U and document type UB, and you have to be create the customer master record. Okay, where you are creating customer master record. In supply plan, you are creating customer master record, supply company code, or receiving company code. So generally, customer will be you are my customer. So that means I am supplying the goods to customer. So in
Customer.
supplying sales area, in supplying sales area, they are creating the customer master record. Okay. So here my case was both sales areas are same, so there is no problem. But in case if the supply plant sales area and receiving plant supply area is different, then sales area is different, then they have to be used. So general that will be taken care by ST people. Don't worry about that. But try to understand that in supplying supplying sales area, they will create a custom master card. See, in my
Okay.
place, which is like, so ZTXT is the sales of organization, and Z1 is the distribution channel, and division is the which is 01. So this is the my sales area. Okay. So the customer
Okay.
which is yesterday we created, right? What is the customer we created yesterday? Did you remember that? What
121.
PP we created
121.
yesterday?
121, sir.
121. Okay.
121.
Let's see. So 121 we created. So this 121 we created under this sales area.
Yes.
Okay. This 121 we have created under this sales area. Okay.
Yes.
Now, then the system, how it will be understand this customer master record, who is the delivering. So who is delivering the product, how we know. Okay. So who are delivering the product, how we know. So we'll be going to, just going to the BP, business partner. Now we'll be going to sales area. Where is the sales area? What is the sales area? BUC. There is that BUC 0, something which is there, right? FLC, yeah? Customer, which we are used for FLC. FLC, customer,
FLCGO.
financial FS. Okay, so if I go to here, which I already maintained, ZTXT Z101, here what we will do, we'll be entering that who is the delivering plan. So who will be delivering plan? My delivering plan
ZTS1.
is ZTX1. So supplying plan is ZTX1. Under this one, this is the customer number. Okay, so the delivering plan
Okay.
also we entered here. Okay, so the delivering plan is ZTX1, right? ZTX1. Okay, clear? So
Right.
you need to be understand here. First, supplying plan is ZTX1, and the receiving plan is ZTX2. Okay, so the delivering plan is ZTX1, and we have created a customer master card. So this customer master card, whatever we created and assigned here, that customer master card you have to be assigned in the configuration. Okay, so where we need to go? Configuration again. We have to go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay, then material management. Okay, then then purchasing. Then we'll go for here purchase orders and purchasing this. Where is the purchase order? And here let's go to set up the stock transfer order. Okay. Then here we have to assign the shipping data for plan. So here what we need to do in, okay, we have to assign in receiving plan, we have to assign this customer number. Okay. So what is my customer number? 121. So what is my receiving
121.
plan? ZTX2. ZTX2 is my
ZTS.
customer number. Here we have to be enter our customer number. What is my customer number here? 121. So 121, and
121.
okay, and we have to be changed that our sales organization distribution channel division. Okay, so 121, which is not there in the KNE one. Why? It is there in the KNE one, right? Why it is not there? We have created in the KNE one only, right? Okay, let's see. SC69 and KNE one. We'll just check the KNU one. Customer 121. So this is the customer only, right? We have created a customer only,
Yes, sir.
right? So it is not there. Why it is not created here? KNP one. So I have created here also, it is not there. And KNC one. Okay. Okay. So it is not there in the customer. Let's see. Go to PP again. Let's see this is customer created or not created. So this is created. General data also created. Customer master record. Okay, okay. Sorry. This here, actually, this is a BP number, right? That's what I just said, right? So generally, the business partner is different, the customer and vendor is different. So we have to enter this is the customer number, ZTXT. So here,
ZTX. Okay.
ZTXT is the actual customer number. Okay. So BP number is not again. So I will check the table again, SC69 and KNA1 table, which is for the customer master record general data. And we'll enter and we can see the customer number. That's fine. We are generally using the same number. Okay, here we are using different number because mapping a number range again, that will be a long time to place this one. So now I'm just entering the ZTX.
Okay.
So this is the my customer. Clear?
Clear.
Is it clear? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So now let's go to this is one setup. Okay. Then the next setup is let's go to supply plant also. In this supply plant also, we need to change the sales organization distribution channel. Okay. So we'll change the ZTXT and Z1. Okay. So this configuration is completed. The next one is here we have to do the checking rule and delivery type. So in here in this procedure, okay. So standard having the delivery type. Okay. So ST having that delivery type. Okay, so this delivery type is the delivery type NL is the intra-STO. Okay, for intra-STO it is NL and for inter-STO NLCC. Okay, so in this procedure we are talking about intra. So we are just going with the intra. Okay, this
Okay.
intra we are using NL. Okay, so here what we need to do, our document type. What is our document type? What is our document type? UB, right? So
Yes.
from here only the system will understand that, okay, you are mapping intra-STO. Then what is the supply plant? Your
ZTX.
TX1. Okay. Then delivering type is NL.
Okay.
Okay. So you have to be mapped this. Clear?
Clear.
And you can use the checking rules. If they have there is any checking rules is there, you can use the checking rule. Okay. So generally we'll be using the checking rule B. B is for replenishment, delivery for. Okay, that also we can use. Okay, for ST, this is a completely ST related. Okay, this delivery types and all.
Okay.
Now this configuration it is required. Okay, then here also there is a two-step, one-step procedure is there. If you want to be used a two-step procedure or one-step procedure, okay, if you want to be used that one-step procedure, then you have to be create the supply plan and receiving plan. Okay, and document type combination have to be select the one-step procedure. One-step
Okay.
procedure. Okay, so determination of receiving company code only, determination of receiving company code both, receiving and issuing company. Okay, so this is one-step procedure if you want to be used. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So this is one step if you want to be used, you can use. So these three steps which is required. Okay, NL and this. This is the we generally call set up stock transfer order. configuration. Set up stock transporter
Stock
configuration.
transfer.
So this configuration it is required for intra-STO and inter-STO. For
Okay.
normal procedure, for this procedure not required. Okay. For
Okay.
this procedure not required. Fourth and fifth, we need to do the setup stock transporter.
Clear.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Is it clear? So now this is the bit setup. Okay. Now let's try to create ME21N. Okay. So if every configuration was good and everything which is good, then the system will try to create a shipping tab. Okay, we'll get the shipping tab in PO while creating this procedure. Okay, while creating
Okay.
this procedure, the system will trying to get the shipping tab. So now let's try this one. Okay, so I'll just enter all the details. If it is not properly updated, then it will give us some error message. Okay, set up stock transporter not updated like that. It will. But now if you see that, now we are getting shipping tab. Okay, here you can see that my customer, my sales organization, my distribution channel, my division, my
Division.
customer, okay, and my shipping point, okay, my delivery point, all these things which is getting.
Okay.
Okay, so now if the shipping tab is coming correctly, then your setup stock transporter configuration was success. Okay, for interest Evo. Clear?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now the system is check when I'm just checking this one. The system is checking that okay, this for this 72 material there is no stock in the supply plant because we are distributing the stock from the supply plant to receiving plant, right? So we don't have stock now, right? We don't have stock, right? So
Yes.
because this is new material, we don't have any stock.
In stock.
So that's why it is giving the warning message. And if you want to be generate output, you can generate here. But I'm saving this one first. The PO I'm saving that. Let's let's try to post some stock. I'll try to post a stock. Let's see if we are getting any error because last time I could not able to post the stock, right? So let's see.
Yes.
So this is the way we'll be creating the STO, intra-STO. If you can see that the delivery type NL, okay, all these details which is captured from the what you entered in the configuration and master data, all these things, right? So this is the intra STO. Okay, you
Okay.
can see here what we discussed here, the document type UB, the document type UB, that is what we discussed, document type UB, okay, and item category U. You can
You.
also create your customized ZUB like that. An item category and customer master record will be updated here with sales area ZTXT Z101. Okay, and shipping point also determined ZTXT because we configured that yesterday, right? And the shipping conditions loading our these are all we entered in the material master record and the customer master record.
Okay.
Okay, the NL is the delivery type that is also updated. This is an intra STO.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Clear.
Is it clear? Okay.
Clear, sir.
So now this was created now. Now I'll just try to post some stock in the supply plan because I don't have the stock. I'll
Okay.
try to post a stock now. Okay. I'll go to goods receipt and others and I will be posting 561 by using 561. I'll be post some initial stock because I don't have any PO and all. Let's try this one if it will works or not because yesterday I could not able to post, but let's see. Okay. So there was some configuration, correct customization settings. Just universal ledger, something which is getting thing. Let's try. So some error which is coming, some currency issue which is coming. Let's see if we can do anything. I'm not sure this conversion settings now. Okay, so let's create something. Not sure. I also not aware about this configuration, but I'll just put into wherever it is required. I'll just copying that. So the currency USD have updated 30, 40, 50. Also, we'll see why this is coming blank. Forty, 50, 10. So this is already there. Okay. Source customer setting for ledger universal. Correct customization universal ledger. Current configuration for provision on inconsistency. Okay. So not sure what it is show here. Okay, I was still facing the issue to, because of what we can do. To use to let me try this if it works or not.
Okay.
Some other system, different error system. Okay, Alexa console it is created with 0. So these are all financial related issues. Okay, don't worry about that. In
Okay.
real time, we will not get, but this is the new system, right? So we just want to show in S4HANA. So the setup everything which we need to do with the cross currencies. Oh, it's okay. My material ledger account
Mhm.
changes. So this is I'm getting error now. So currency violation area judging from the dose information of the production setup. Currently in material ledger acquisition currency stuff. So again, there are plant level there is a multiple currency was multiple different currencies which is impacting. So we need stock, but Okay. Okay, let me try it different way, but I think we'll get the same problem everywhere
Okay.
because we have suddenly changed the currency. I think we'll create a new company code. Other than that, we'll get again the same problem.
Okay. Mm.
You get all these problems because the currency, the setup one, all these GL accounts are created with this euros only. So if we are changing this one,
Yes.
again we'll get the problems. Hmm. Okay, so I think we'll create one more company code with USD dollar. We don't know exactly the problem here with why currency conversions are not there for this euro.
Okay.
Okay, so but as per MM configuration, so this batch working the shipping tab which is coming here in the PO. Okay,
Okay.
so this will be actual interest PO. Okay, so if it is not working in the S4HANA, we'll try in the
ECC.
our ECC system. Okay,
Okay.
so we'll try again at the TX1. So this is just activation of the material ledger activation. And if we go to OMS2, group currency, this is what which is currency valuation type, right? So this is for the material ledger activation. Okay, so I think we'll create one more new company code. So have you created any company codes? Have you created any?
Created, sir.
Have you created any company codes?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Have you created? No.
No, sir.
Okay, then I think just create one company code and plan for what we did configuration. Okay,
Okay.
come back with that company code and plans.
Okay.
So create the currency with USD.
USD.
You
Yes.
can take some other plan company code as reference.
Okay, sir.
You just take company code of some other references.
Okay, sir.
Not 0001. Just take any other reference.
Okay, sir.
Because
Which is
here,
having USD, sir.
huh?
Which is having the currency USD.
I'm using the euro, right? Currency.
Yes.
You just take any other reference. Other
Okay,
company
sir.
reference. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes. I'll do it.
Okay, then I think we'll